Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, in today's video guys, we're going to make a very helpful video guys. If you have a Chevy, General Motors vehicle, GMC, Cadillac guys, and your AC compressor does not turn on, and you're about to drop a huge amount of money on new AC compressor because you think it's a clutch or it's a compressor itself, we're going to explain guys how a little bitty pressure switch can prevent your AC system from turning on and from not having AC on during the summer months. Now, we're working on that Chevy Cruze guys, but that design's been used by many General Motors vehicles. And every car guys that has air conditioning system, it has a pressure switch. Let me explain what it does quick. Sometimes the pressure switch is on the condenser, like this one. Sometimes you can find it on a line, you can find it on an AC line usually, but you have to find for your vehicle exactly where it's located. But what that thing does now guys, that thing reads how much pressure you have in the AC system, and if you have enough pressure for the compressor to turn on, it tells the compressor, we have enough pressure, let's work now. However, if that switch is fault guys, even though you have enough pressure in the system, it's not going to activate the AC compressor, and as a result guys, you're not going to get any cool cold air just because of that little guy. The compressor is hundreds of dollars, right? And that little guy guys, it's just a few dollars and it can save you so much trouble. Now on this Chevy Cruze, I've seen that design on other Chevy vehicles, but not all. Once you remove that switch, and all that could be done on the vehicle without removing the condenser. In our case we removed it so we can show you. But once you remove it, you're going to notice that you have a valve. Why is that? Because you don't even have to drain your AC system to replace that thing. Now, again, this is not on many vehicles, guys. So, I'll definitely recommend to have your system vacuumed down, drain completely before you remove and replace your switch. Why? Because if you don't have a valve, it's going to spray everywhere, it can get in your eyes, it can... it's a big mess, it's poisonous for you, for the atmosphere. There is a big fine related to that one as well. So always guys drain the system. But if you have a Chevy Cruze like ours, 2015 model, you don't even have to drain it. So that guy, if it's faulty, if it doesn't work, it's going to tell your AC system that it's not going to work because we don't have enough pressure. So always guys, check those. We have a video on our channel that explains how to test them, so make sure you subscribe. We're putting quite a few videos guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.